All right, I'm a little fucked up, and I have somebody else to testify. Wifey, hello, how you doing? Was it good?
Yes, very.
Was it good?
Yeah, it was excellent. I'm drunk.
You good? All right, so
Yes.
ingredients. This is the Piña Colada mix. I think I got this from Food Line. Vodka. Oh, you asshole. Just a tad bit of sugar. Some little bit of cinnamon. A nanner. Some crushed pineapple. Oh shit, I already threw it away. It's coconut milk. I guess. Condensed milk. Yep. And that's it. And the other can is the crushed pineapple. And that's it. And that made literally the best pineapple and a whole lot of ice to make it because that's a lot of liquid.
Amazing.
But yeah, it tastes really, really good.